For example, the intestines contain about 500 million neurons, often referred to as a second brain. This vast network plays a vital role in digestion, immunity, and even emotional regulation. But with every sip of water and every meal, an invisible stream of micro nanoplastics enters our bodies. And unfortunately, most of these particles settle and accumulate in the intestines.
Micro and nanoplastics destroy intestinal barriers. The intestine is not just a digestive organ. About 70% of the cells in our immune system are concentrated there, which means its condition directly affects the protection of the entire body.
So another study that we provided, showed us we are actually eating plastics, microplastics, because we analyzed 26 human cadaver. We just investigate their intestinal system, their gut content, and we found like between 9 and 10 microplastic per person in their stomach. So this is like a acute exposure. At that time, they exposed that amount of microplastics because when you eat something, it will pass through your intestinal system. Some of them will remain inside the system. This is what we found. There remain microplastic particles inside the human stomach because grams doesn't give enough information about exposure because the particles behave according to their shape rather than their mass, because the definitive transportation feature of plastics or particles is size, because all the human barriers, the gut barrier, intestinal blood barrier, they are selective for size and the type. If they smaller than certain size, like 100 micron, they can pass through the through intestinal system to the blood system.